Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to install SQL Server Management Studio and SQL Server. Just type SQL Server Management Studio. The first link you get, just double click on that. Here is the SQL Server. Just open it in the new tab. And then here is the SQL Server Management Studio. Just start downloading it. Here it started to download. For the SQL Server, just download the developer version. Here it started to download. SQL Server Management Studio takes some time. Once both the files are downloaded, you can just see them in a folder. We'll first install the server. Just double click on this. I'm going with basic. Just accept the license and then install. It will take some time to install all the packages. This is how it looks. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete all the installation. After that, you can just close it and then we can start the SSMS installation. Now we'll install SSMS. Double click on that. Here is the pop-up. Just install. On install. This is how the installation process looks. It is just downloading the packages. You just have to double click on the SSMS which we downloaded earlier. After that, we get an pop-up to just to accept the installation. Now it says setup completed. We have installed SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Now just try to open our SQL Server Management Studio. Just type SQL. You'll be able to see SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on that. This is the first instance which I have downloaded. So I have only one instance. Just connect to it. Yeah, I have only one. So this is how we connect to SQL Server Management Studio. In the future session, we will create the database tables and then we will start querying the tables.